Well, this one did have the slightest bit of chipped paint in the dent, but we were able to touch that up and it came out really nice, although touch-up's never perfect. Hi everybody, I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop, and behind me we have a 2022 Subaru Forester. In the passenger side rear door, this vehicle had a really sharp dent down at the bottom of the door. There is a tiny chip in the paint. We are fixing this dent today using Paintless dent repair. We're not going to have to R&I anything. That means remove and install. We're able to get access behind this dent by opening the front door and going through the wiring harness for the rear door. The customer brought us some touch-up paint for this vehicle from Subaru, so it matches really well. Although touch-up's never really perfect, it can definitely help protect it and stop it from being noticeable. This dent came out fantastic using Paintless dent repair. And remember, if you have damage on your vehicle and you'd like to find out if it's a candidate for Paintless dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. We're conveniently located here in Cedar Park at 201 Industrial Boulevard. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.